Tiny cooking videos are dominating YouTube Shorts right now. These miniature kitchen creations are attracting millions of views. And even new creators are growing their channels quickly by following this trend. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process of creating ultra-realistic tiny cooking videos using AI. First, open the video description and copy the master prompt. This prompt is specially crafted to generate highly realistic miniature cooking scenes. Next, launch Google Flow AI and switch to video mode. Now you can input your prompt and generate the video. Choose your preferred aspect ratio, select the OmniFlash model, and set the video length to 10 seconds. Once everything is configured, paste the master prompt into the prompt box. At the beginning of the prompt, you'll see a section labeled Food Item. Simply replace it with any dish you'd like to generate. For this example, I will use pizza. And just like that, the video is generated, complete with a title and a mouth-watering image. Click Generate and wait a few minutes while Google Flow creates your miniature cooking video. That's it. Your first AI-generated tiny cooking video is now ready. You can repeat the exact same steps with any food. For example, replace the food item with burrito, generate again. And you'll get a completely different miniature cooking animation. You can keep experimenting with dishes like chimichanga, sushi, burger, ramen, pasta, and countless others to create an endless collection of unique tiny cooking videos. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and enable notifications so you never miss future AI video creation tips, tutorials, and creative ideas.